If you follow me on Strava or Instagram, you know when I'm home, I'm riding in the National Forest. After one of our rides, Brad's truck needed a jump, so I went back to go help him, and I discovered this huge pile of tires. Apparently a couple of others had noticed it already, and it was being reported to the Forestry Service. This is really disgusting. I can't believe somebody would do something like that. So Brad and others got a group together. Deven actually built a trailer, and we went out to see if we could get all these tires out. Now, I knew it was a pretty big pile, but I didn't really understand exactly how many tires were out there. I was a little worried there might be some snakes in there, but we had a good crew that showed up. So we had Al, we had Matt, we had Tom, we had Jose, we had Deven. Maybe I'm missing somebody, but yeah, thankfully all these guys showed up. We put tires in the back of my truck. Jose put tires on a trailer that he brought, and then Deven had built out this kind of mega trailer for loading up all these tires. So we still had a little pile left, so it was going to take 2 loads. That is a whole lot of tires. So Jose had worked it out with the county for us to be able to take the tires out there. So we had to move them from the trailers that we had onto these trailers. Then we'll have to move them one more time to whatever their final resting place or recycling is. But they're pretty gross. They were full of water, and it's just heartbreaking. I mean, the fact that I guess it's 120, 150 tires. You know, somebody would have had to have either had a massive semi or been, taking multiple trips to dump these tires out there. It was back-breaking work, but you love the forest, you do what you can to help the forest. So we went back out for a second round, and I think it was probably, 60 plus tires left. So we made pretty quick work of that. We got into a little system, but if anybody knows any details or how to track anything down with this kind of situation, please let me know. It's really heartbreaking. It's off of Rivers Road, off the 305, and we got them all out. And I mean, what a great group of guys to come out on a Saturday morning and bust their butt to get these tires out of the National Forest. It's what makes our little riding community so great. Unfortunately, as we were coming out with the last load, we all stopped to get a drink in Freebirds, and Deven's starter went out. So we ended up having to go to AutoZone and got him a starter, and he was able to, luckily, he had all the tools, so he was able to actually install the new starter in the Freebirds parking lot. And then we dropped this last load off at the dump, and it was good to be done with it. Listen, if you know or hear of anything, we'd love to track down who did this. We'd love to see this stopped, and we'd love to see people prosecuted for dumping tires in the forest. Thanks so much for watching. Spread the word.